Hello, everyone. Today I'm here to share with you my experience with Skinny Love. I know many of you are curious to know if this product really works, so let's get straight to the point. Firstly, let's talk about the product itself. Skinny Love is an energy drink that promises to provide that natural energy boost with few calories and natural flavors. Now, before we continue, I want to remind all of you that the best way to find out if Skinny Love is right for you is by consulting a healthcare professional. Every person is unique, and what works for me may not work for you. That being said, let's talk about my personal experience. Since I started taking Skinny Love, I've felt a significant improvement in my energy throughout the day. And the best part is, I don't feel that mid-afternoon energy crash like I used to. And now, the part you've all been waiting for, the call to action. If you're interested in trying Skinny Love for yourself, I recommend clicking the link in the description below to visit the official website. There you'll find more information about the product and you can place your order securely. And finally, I want to thank all of you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. And if you've already tried Skinny Love, I want to hear your opinion in the comments below. Until next time.